Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the rules of Python range function. So range function is like a number machine. So range function has three components: start, stop, and step. So what does that mean? Imagine range is a robot. Start value tells the robot where to begin. Stop value tells the robot where to stop. Stop before that number. Step tells how much each jump is. So the first rule, Python never includes the stop number. Let's see the example. For jump in range 1, 5, 1. Jump. So the first one represents the start value. The second number represents the stop value. The third represents the step. So the robot starts as 1, and each time jumps by 1, stopped before 5. So we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the step number, the third component, is positive, the numbers are increased, like the example we have. So we can have another example. So you see the start value is 0. Oh, so we have let's fix it. So the start value is 0. Then the step value is 2. So that means the robot jumps by 2. So 0 increased to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It just stopped before 11. So 11 is not included. If the step value is negative, the number are decreased. For robot, we can think of the robot jump backward. Let's run the program. So the start value is 10. Each step is jump by -1, means jump backward. So 10, 9 until 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So cannot be 0. So 1, then the robot stop at 1. So for negative step, the last value is greater than the stop value. For positive step, the last value is less than stop value. What about step size equals 0? Let's see. there is an error because this confuses Python. Python does not know should I confuse the robot because the robot cannot move. The step is 0. So the robot is stuck. Python says it's wrong. There's an error. So that's why we see error. The step can never be 0. So negative number, the start value can be negative number. Let's give example. For I in range -5, 6, 2. Then print I. So we see the number start from -5. Each time the number is increased by 2. So we have -5, -3. The last number is 5 because the last number should be less than stop value if the step size is positive. So today we learn the rules of the range function. Thank you. See you next time.